We're good.
Okay.
We're recording.
Okay.
Don't fall.
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to climb to the other side of this branch over there so I can get back on solid ground without cracking my skull open.
Good luck with that.
Yeah.
Doesn't look too sturdy.
It doesn't feel too sturdy. This branch is kind of
Yeah,
wobbly and I'm about to lose my handhold.
don't do that.
Oh, that was too easy. No, I just kind of...
Are you getting off on this end? I don't think that's going to hold you.
Well, I got ground right here if I need it, but...
Well,
Wow.
grab onto something. Oh, that's sturdy to grab onto.
Isn't it? Okay, that's not solid. Ow! Get out of my pit.
I think it was in something different.
Thanks. I feel like stepping on that. Ow.
You're going to fall. And I'm going to have it on video. I'm going to send it to Stefan.
I'm jumping now because that's not going to hold me, is it?
I don't think so.
Jump before that car comes. I don't like jumping.
Maybe you should climb back.
No. Woo! Oh, there's that car.
Just stay still. Maybe they won't notice you.
Yeah, well, no, some girl just looking in the woods and then some other girl just staying in the tree.
No. Say she didn't notice.
Too bad. And there's another.
They might. So we're just gonna stand still. Okay, we're good. I don't want you to jump down and hurt your knee though.
I don't like the ground. I don't like how far the ground is. And there's another car. So let's just kind of and stick the landing.